volcanoes. They are among the largest and most powerful phenomena of nature. Their power and destructive capacity have fascinated and instilled fear in humanity for thousands of years. They can be silent and controlled, remaining dormant for centuries. Others erupt overnight without warning, revealing the fury hidden beneath our feet. In Iceland, known as the Land of Volcanoes, what could be a problem is being viewed as an innovative solution. Envision a future where the world is powered by the clean and limitless energy from subterranean magmas. This is the proposition of a radical project that seeks to tap into the richness of the landscape to harvest clean and infinite energy from volcanoes. Earth echoes on this incredible journey to the center of the Earth. This time, temperatures may soar up to 2,372 degrees Fahrenheit. The answers promise to be hot, unveiling the secret to a new source of energy independence for humanity. In Iceland, the dichotomy of nature walks hand in hand, providing one of the most extraordinary scenery on the planet. In this land of fire and ice, glacial cold and subterranean heat coexist harmoniously, proving the possibility of balance between extremes. At the northern limit of the mid-Atlantic ridge, Iceland plants its flag, precisely at the border between two powerful tectonic plates. In this meeting area of Eurasia and the American continent, earthquakes are frequent and behave like a true cradle for the creation of volcanoes. Iceland itself is a volcanic island, formed by the eruption of several volcanoes. Below this land, rivers of lava bubble and flow every day, uninterrupted. For centuries, these smoking fields were considered sources of great misfortune and bad luck. Anyone who faced the eye of a volcano would be cursed forever. Now, this controversial scenario could become the key to the unprecedented production of the newest clean and infinite energy on the planet. International scientists are devising an ambitious plan to drill into the magma chamber of the Krafla volcano in northeastern Iceland. Krafla is one of the most explosive volcanoes in the country. Despite the last eruption in 1984, it has erupted 29 times since the colonization of the country. The researchers' goal is to transform this pasty and incandescent mass into abundant geothermal energy. The mission, once seemingly impossible, now appears promising, thanks to an accident that occurred in 2009. At that moment, the geothermal plant at Krafla accidentally drilled a magma well to a depth of 2 kilometers below the crater. As a result, the lava rose several meters, startling scientists and damaging the drilling equipment. Fortunately, no one was harmed, and the accident proved that the action wouldn't trigger volcanic eruptions at Krafla. As a result, scientists were able to observe the magma chamber of 500 million cubic meters, which later had to be sealed. Now, volcanologists are intentionally studying the drilling of 2 more wells to better assess the potential of magma energy. The project, named Krafla Magma Testbed, was launched in 2014 with a total estimated investment of $100 million. An alliance with volcanologists and engineers from 38 institutes in 11 countries is conducting the research at the world's first underground magma observatory. The project, worthy of the French writer Jules Verne, focuses on exploring geothermal energy and predicting volcanic eruptions. The first phase of drilling is expected to cost $25 million and is scheduled for 2026. Unlike the lava flowing on the surface, the molten rock inside the crater remains unexplored terrain. Subterranean magma has never been directly observed by scientists, except for rare accidents during drilling. Kilometers below the ground, the rocks reach temperatures so extreme that the fluids are called supercritical. This means that the mass exhibits an intermediate behavior, varying between liquid and gaseous states. The energy produced at this depth is 5 to 10 times greater than that found in conventional wells. In the 2009 accident, the vapor that rose to the surface registered 842 degrees Fahrenheit. However, the temperature of the magma has never been directly measured. Calculations suggest that 2 of these wells would be sufficient to achieve a power output of 60 megawatts. This is the amount currently generated by the Icelandic plant Landsvirkjun, operating 18 conventional wells. Drilling in such an extreme environment poses a technical challenge for professionals. Therefore, materials must be adapted to withstand corrosion caused by superheated vapors. Additionally, the possibility of eruptions is a natural concern for volcanologists. John Eichelberger, a geology professor at the University of Alaska, explains that the operation is like stabbing a needle into an elephant. Krafla is a massive volcanic system spanning 20 kilometers in diameter and 818 meters in height. The crater is filled with a turquoise water lake, from which columns of steam and sulfur emerge, emitting a strong smell of rotten eggs. In ancient times, people believed that volcanoes were gateways to hell. Today, Krafla stands out internationally among Iceland's prime natural wonders. In October 2023, Icelandic volcanoes once again captured the world's attention. This happened after the Fagradalsfjall volcano recorded hundreds of small daily earthquakes. In November, a hole about 1 meter deep opened up in the town of Grindavik, 40 kilometers from the capital Reykjavik. The danger led the local community to evacuate the region, home to approximately 3,000 residents. Today, Icelanders are accustomed to volcanic activities, treating the wild landscape with respect and admiration. The lava from Iceland's volcanoes has a more liquid character due to the abundance of basalt in its composition. During volcanic activities, the lava flows between fissures, with fewer occurrences of explosions, providing relative safety for observation tourists. In 2023 alone, the Fagradalsfjall activity attracted more than 350,000 visitors. Besides this, another 30 active volcanoes scattered across the country draw over 1 million people annually. However, the risks are real, and recent events may indicate increased activity in the near future. Experts ponder that it's unlikely for the volcano to cause international disruption. Nevertheless, a more intense dynamic could impact the progress of research in geothermal plants. Despite increasingly precise sensors, it remains impossible to predict when a volcano will erupt. Volcanism is one of nature's most fascinating phenomena. These stone giants materialize the unstoppable and unpredictable power of nature. Now, the phenomenon promises to go beyond beauty, leading Iceland to achieve the long-dreamed energy independence. With over 200 volcanoes, the country has been an absolute leader in geothermal energy production since 1970. To achieve this, power plants harness the heat or steam from the hot surface water, separating liquid water from vapor. Then, this vapor goes through turbines where electricity is generated to power and heat Iceland's greenhouses. About 90% of Icelandic homes are heated by geothermal energy, according to the green energy site Energy Transition. The exploration of Krafla's magma chamber could unleash powerful energy, capable of meeting the entire country's demand. The expectation is to obtain a source of clean and limitless energy. Additionally, the project will assist IKMT scientists in monitoring the volcano's magma chamber. Through the application of pressure sensors, volcanologists could even enhance eruption predictions. Volcanic regions have been utilized for a long time to generate electricity. However, this unprecedented research will be the first to directly drill into the magma chamber to convert heat into energy. If the first well drilling is successful, scientists aim to open the second well by 2028. Beyond scientific progress, the research brings an optimistic and daring vision for the future of energy transition. Imagine a scenario where volcanoes could be used as a definitive alternative for energy sustainability. The quest for clean energy sources takes science to unexplored territories. The possibilities are endless as long as these stone monsters are tamed safely and responsibly. Earth echoes amid the flaming fire of these true rocky dragons. Their powerful roar might be the key to a new source of clean and inexhaustible energy. Share your passion for volcanoes and your vision for a sustainable world reading, Volcanokrafla, in the comments. Don't forget to like and share this hot news. See you in the next Eruption.